Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone and opening GPS status. Do this now. Grant location permission and select high accuracy so satellites and network cooperate. Once done, launch the app and allow any first-run calibration. This primes a GPS data for a faster fix. Make sure your phone has a clear view of the sky. Tall buildings or being indoors will delay satellite lock. You're ready for the first reading when the app shows visible satellites and a moving accuracy meter. Now you'll get a reliable fix. You should monitor the satellite list and signal to noise bars. Healthy SNRs mean usable satellites. If the app struggles, use the download a GPS or cold/warm start option to refresh ephemeris data. That tells the receiver where satellites are, speeding lock. Once multiple satellites show good SNR and the accuracy value drops under about 10 meters, you can trust the location reading. Make sure to stay still for a short period to stabilize the fix. Finish by using the app features. Read bearing and speed, save waypoints, or export GPX/KML for mapping. This turns a fix into actionable data. Once done, integrate the coordinates into your navigation app or share them. If you lose a fix or accuracy remains poor, perform quick troubleshooting. Toggle device location, restart the app, or clear and redownload a GPS data. Also move outdoors with a clear sky view. Those steps usually restore satellite lock within a minute or two.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.